my second video where I will explain how we use Razor Pages to develop this seamless platform that allow users to not only to buy and sell but as well to manage their orders, and will allow administrators to control the product management, to add new products, to edit existing one, see the messages, the live cart, real-time cart implementation. So in order to create this web application, as you can see it here, we use Visual Studio and use ESP.NET Razor Pages based on MVC model view controller pattern. That means we create a model. In the model folder we can see all the models we created that represent the data and the business logic, as the category that represent all the details, and the data annotation for the inputted data into the database, or in this case we have the category that will have the ID and the name of the category. In our case, this will display all the car makes like BMW, Bentley, and as well we have the product that in our case here is the car make, and this will have public strings as name, description, product categories, and product image, and stock quantity, and product weight and price. That will have their own constructors, getters and setters in place in the model view. Then using the model view, we we create the migration and update the database, and we create a Razor Pages that will consist in CRUD pages. That means create, read, undo and delete. And in this case, for each model we have the Razor Pages generated, like the cart, the index, the checkout, see all the pages, the contact us, the category. In the category you have the index page that will display the HTML code along with the Razor page code represented by the syntax, and pagination 8 page pagination ID. And as well this is controlled by all the events that are happening in the index page. All the handles, user requests, are managed by the controller that is displayed next to the view. In this case we have the index controller that will manage will handle all the user requests and manage all the data flow between the user interface and the database. In this case we'll set up all the getters and setters, and then we'll display on get. When we publish the web, we'll get all the content from the database, and then on post we will display it. Okay, we use as well partial views, and just to avoid the repetition of the code. And for authentication and authorization, use ESP.NET Core identity, and that will allow us to create the areas where we have the admin, that the admin roles have access only to the admin pages, that will consist into categories, contact us, order pages, product pages, that can be that will allow the administrator to delete, to create new orders, or to change the details of the order, or update the details of the product. So, and same for the identity, we have the details of the users, and the users have access to all their details and can change this password and the login page. And as well we use partial views, so we don't have to implement the same code always. And in the www root we have all the CSS files and the JavaScript files to control the look of the website, and to create this interactive interface. Okay, in the database in the data we have the database, that we have the application database context, that is basically the business logic, and as well we use the database initializer, where we injected uh, some we injected the login credential for the admin and the user, so we can test our application. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our application, and wish you a good day. Thank you.